Hello students, we are doing subject Shiv Chhatrapati Environmental Studies Part 2, Lesson number 7, Swaraj First Conquest. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School, Standard 4th Online Studies. As we have seen, the subtopics Torana Fort and the drums of Swaraj began to sound. Now we will see the blessings of Goddess Bhavani. Shivaji Maharaj have captured Torana Fort. Now it came under his control. He made a very careful survey of it and appointed officers such as Maratha Kiledar, a Brahmin Sabnis, and a Prabhu Karkhanis. The garrison means unit included Mavlas, Kolis, Ramoshis, Mahars, and such brave men from many other castes and communities. In Swaraj, all castes and communities were treated similar and no difference was made on the basis of caste. Repairing of the fort was started. The people got surprised as they found 4 metal pots filled to brim, means filled till edge border, with mohurs. Mohar means it was a gold coin. At that time, while the repairing, 4 pots filled with such type of mohurs was found to the workers. By looking this, the workers was overjoyed. They were very happy. They said that this was a gift from Goddess Bhavani to Shivaji Maharaj for the efforts work done by him. All the money found was brought to Shivaji Maharaj. No one took a single mohar from it, as it was the wealth of Swaraj. Shivaji felt greatly elated, means happy, for this unexpected gift. Now this thing enabled him, means allowed him, to run after, follow, and complete the dream of Swaraj with added energy, power. He felt that he was working under the benevolent, means good, caring eye of Goddess Bhavani. Shivaji Maharaj used part of the treasure mohar found in the fort to purchase arms and ammunition, means material for warfare. Remaining mohars he used for other work, another project which he was planning. About 15 kilometers to the east of Torana is the hill of Murumdev. Shivaji Maharaj was planning to achieve it for a long time. This hill was vertical and difficult to enter, and therefore it was very much important. Adil Shah actually started to build a fort on this hill, but he left it incomplete and it was not well guarded, means proper attention was not given by Adil Shah to the fort. So Shivaji Maharaj decided to capture it. The first capital of Swaraj. One day Shivaji Maharaj climbed up the hill with his followers and took hold of this incomplete fort. The money which was found on Torana fort was used to complete the fortification, means work of Murumdev. Shivaji Maharaj named this fort as Rajgarh. Stones, masons, carpenters, blacksmiths, water carriers, other workers, all were busy in completing the fort. They built the Raj Mahal, Bara Mahal, and 18 workshops. Rajgarh became the first capital of Swaraj. Shivaji's rapid progress. After then, it was no looking back. Shivaji Maharaj moved quickly and captured one fort after another in Mawar. Now the whole country was known as Bara Mawar, the 12 Mawars. Everyone was happy with joy and excitement. Then the Patils and Deshmukhs from many villages came to Shivaji Maharaj and they took the oath of loyalty. On the other hand, some of the Mawals was not faithful. They were ever ready to stop the movements of Swaraj. They were jealous of Shivaji's success, so they complained to the Adil Shahi collector at Shirwal. The collector sent messenger to Bijapur and gave information to Adil Shah about Shivaji Maharaj's rapid progress and how he was achieving forts one after another. Shivaji, the shrewd politician. Meaning of it is he was sharp, clever, wise, intelligent politician. How? We will see now. Mawals gave information about Shivaji Maharaj's progress to Adil Shah. Adil Shah was surprised to get the news. He asked Shahaji Raje, Shivaji Maharaj's father, for explanation as exactly what is going on. Because Shahaji Raje was working with Adil Shah, Shahaji Raje said that maybe Shivaji Raje had taken it for management of Jagir to manage it properly. Shivaji Raje also sent the same message that I have taken the position, control of fort just for the better management of the countryside, means land surroundings. To manage the surrounding properly, I had control of the fort. We did it only this for the interest profit of Sultan. There was no evil design, meaning of it is there was no any bad intention behind this action. The two forts of Kondana and Purandar also had strategic, planned locations. Shivaji Raje used his political mastery, his talent, and controlled both the forts. The next fort to come under his sway, rule, was Rohida Fort. Truly, he captured fort one by another, and nothing could stop Shivaji Raje now. Everything was done under the blessings of Goddess Bhavani. Thank you.